Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of gold futures in a daily time frame. Here you can see the movements of gold futures in a daily time frame. Here you can see that the gold futures started an upward trend since 30th May 2019 when the gold futures were trading at the levels of $1296. This uptrend started due to growing fear of economic slowdown when the gold futures tested the highs of $1566 on September 4, 2019. Here I find that after facing some stiff resistance at the levels of $1565, the gold futures make a downward move. But on every downward move, here you can see that the gold futures were finding strong support at the levels of $1497 when the gold futures tried to maintain this level above the levels of $1525 since September 2019. Here you can see that after coming downward when the gold futures tested the lows of $1469 on October 1st, 2019, gold futures started to move upward and once again tested the immediate resistance at the levels of $1523. Here you can see that the gold futures found stiff resistance again and again on every upward move and finally started to move downward on November 5th, 2019 from the levels of $1515. The gold futures take a downward move when they found a good support at the levels of $1447, where I find that this was the zone which you can see here in green color. Here I find that gold futures found a good support at the lower end of this uptrend zone, where they continue to find good support between the levels of $1451 to $1484 from November 11, 2019 to December 25th, 2019, broke this immediate resistance. Here you can see in blue color, which is at the levels of $1509 when the gold futures breached this stiff resistance level and started to make an upward move, found a continuous uptrend up to the levels of $1555, where the growing Middle East tension kept this uptrend in gold futures up to the levels of $1552 when the growing concern on spreading corona epidemic enhanced this economic fear much more than ever before, where I find the gold futures have found a constant support, where I find that the gold futures have found this level of $1550, a good base for moving upward, where the gold futures sustained above this level up to February 5th, 2020, where I find that the growing fear of coronavirus enhanced extensive bearishness in global equity markets, where the gold futures may take a sharp upward move since February 5th, 2020, where the gold futures have breached this median uptrend line, where I find that this median uptrend line will be a new supporting level for the gold futures, which is currently at the levels of $1616, where I find that the new supporting levels for gold futures will be at the levels of $1616, where the gold futures may continue to make upward moves above the levels of $1646 during the upcoming weeks. So friends, I find that any downward move in gold futures will provide a good opportunity to go long from the levels of $1620. I find the gold futures will provide a good opportunity to go long because the growing cases of coronavirus look to be out of control, because this has spread in many other countries besides China, which may make the situation more worse than ever before, where the global economy has to face the economic dent of this coronavirus, where I find that the global economies will feel the economic impact or I will say the denting impacts of corona epidemic, where it will be difficult to analyze the going damage, where I find that the economic impact will be too hard for the global economies during the upcoming days, which will keep the uptrend of gold futures intact. During the upcoming days, I find that the gold futures may test the levels of $1,688 during the month of March 2020. So friends, here I find that this uptrend may continue above the levels of $1616. The gold futures may find a good buying support at these levels. So friends, be ready to see an action in gold futures. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.